token to please leave the stage to a massive round of applause. If you go up on that side, thank you very much, everybody. We are left with our final four. Will now present the tokens. Second place gets 1 token, first place gets 2 tokens. So you're in second place, what's your name is? Soren. This is Soren, and Soren, who was your artist? Angel. Is Angel here? Angel, please come up to the stage where you're going to get a prize. Is this Angel here? Yes. Here she comes. Congratulations! Welcome, please come up to here, you get a prize! You get to smile at the audience and a round of applause! And in first place we have Pablo. This is Pablo! And Pablo's artist is also Angel. So, Angel, first and second place! Round of applause, please!
This piece of art was painted in just 20 minutes today as part of the competition. I think they had 3 rounds of competition. Down in the woods! Round of applause, please! Then you have got a prize. Congratulations. I think you smile at the audience and they give you a big round of applause.